I was seated right across from the jury as they listened to closing arguments. All of them seemed to be listening intently. A couple of them glanced over at Karen Read, and one even closed his eyes as if he was concentrating on every last word of this 2-month-long trial. Karen Read returned through a sea of reporters to the courthouse to hear closing arguments in her second-degree murder trial.
You see, you're the only thing standing between Karen Read and the tyranny of injustice.
Defense attorney Alan Jackson told jurors Read is innocent of killing her boyfriend, Boston police officer John O'Keefe, that she is a victim framed as part of a cover-up, he said, which he described as a tall blue wall.
A wall that you can't scale. A wall that Karen Read certainly couldn't get over. A wall between us and them. A place you folks are not invited.
Seated in the courtroom with the O'Keefe family, members of the Albert and McCabe families. They're the ones, Jackson said, who killed O'Keefe in a fight and an attack by their dog named Chloe.
A push, a punch, a fall, pull Chloe off his arm, and now it's done.
You are using me right now. You're another girl.
Read listened as prosecutor Adam Lally played some of the angry voice messages she left for O'Keefe the night he died. Lally said Read's own words point to her, so does physical evidence like taillight fragments found at the scene. Lally said vulgar insults against Read, made by the lead investigator on the case, are inexcusable but not proof of a cover-up.
Why? Because it didn't happen. There is no conspiracy, there is no cover-up, there is no evidence of any of that.
Using a bingo-style selector, the court clerk randomly chose 2 jurors to serve as alternates. Earlier, another juror was dismissed for what the judge said were reasons personal to her. And with that, the judge sent the remaining 12 jurors behind closed doors to deliberate.
But I believe that you will bring to bear all the wisdom and the judgment and conscience that you possess in reaching your verdict in this case.
During their deliberations, the jurors will have access to all of the physical evidence presented at trial, but not transcripts of the 6 dozen witnesses who testified. For that, they'll have to rely on their memories.